Hey guys, welcome back to our urban homestead. And this video, we're gonna just be digging up this little patch of potatoes here. The leaves they're not fully died back, but we're supposed to get a lot of rain, and I wanna dig these potatoes up before they just get saturated and gross. And I think these are my red potatoes. Honestly, I can't remember which potatoes I planted. So even if I get little baby reds, I'm gonna be happy with that. So let's get digging. Potatoes, harvesting potatoes are one of my favorite things in the garden to harvest. It's like a treasure hunt and Christmas all wrapped in one, because you don't know what's under, whether it's soil that you plant in, or I plant mine mostly in the roof stoutish method. It's just like a big treasure hunt in Christmas. So let's see what we get. So I just got a cardboard box here, and I'm gonna try to start back there. We'll see. Actually, I might just start where I'm at. Hopefully you guys can see. All right, so here's our first potato. Beautiful. These are definitely not ready yet, but that's okay. These are white potatoes. This is a red potato that I pulled up dinner from the other night, but it's still chitting. So I'm just putting this back here. Gonna cover it and see if we get another harvest. So this is a mother potato, and most of it has disintegrated, but it's still chitting. So I'm just gonna put that back in, and it's not too late for us to get a second harvest of small potatoes. Ooh, my chickens would love these. There's a ton of beautiful big earthworms. All right, I'm gonna harvest the rest of these, and I'll show you what we got. So I would say this is easily 10 pounds. I will weigh it. And that was just from that little patch. I think it was from 8 seed potatoes. So not too dang shabby. I do have other, so dirty. I do have other areas. I've got a small area in the front garden, and then I have a big potato patch. If you guys have been here any amount of time, you know that my first year growing potatoes from that front potato patch, I pulled in 90 pounds of potatoes, which was amazing. So yeah, this little area here, 8 seed potatoes, easily 10 pounds. I will weigh it and let you know. I'm going to bring these in the house. They're going to be laid flat on cardboard in one of my pantries. That way they can dry out and cure. You know, we can eat off of them and do some canning of them. And pretty excited. How many pounds do you think that is? Let me know in the comments, and I'll do a weighing and let you know in a community post. So thanks for being here. Thanks for being you. Thanks for harvested potatoes with me. It's one of my favorite things to do. I cannot wait for the rest of the potatoes. Sorry guys, I do live in the city. Can't wait for the rest of the potatoes to be harvested. So until next time, my friends, abundance and blessings to you.